How to share Facebook Reels to Instagram seamlessly. Facebook now lets you share your Reels directly to Instagram with just a tap, making cross posting smoother and helping you reach a wider audience. So, the first thing you want to do here is open up Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account and you want to find a reel that you want to share. So, I'll just scroll through my feed here, find a video that I'd like to share. So, I'll just tap on the first video here. Now let's say if I want to share this reel over here, I can just go ahead and tap on the share option. Then you can find a list of these options. You need to find Instagram from this list and tap on it. If you don't see it, tap on more and you should find Instagram here. I have Instagram right over here, so I'll just tap on it and it's going to open up Instagram. Make sure you're logged in on Instagram. Then you can just tap on send message. So I'll just tap on send. If you want to send it to multiple people, you can do that as well. Tap on done, and you've successfully shared your Facebook reel on Instagram. Now, once they tap on this link, they will be redirected over directly to Facebook, and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.